What if you could make the same video in different languages without recording it again? Watch this.
यही वीडियो अब हिंदी में है y con un solo clic puedo pasarlo al español. Et la voici en français avec la même voix.
The best part, AI does all of this for you. So in this video, I'll show you how to translate your videos into different languages and reach viewers from around the world without recording a single new line. First, open your browser and go to the Synthesia website. I will add the link in the description so you can directly click it from there. Now sign in with your Google account. Once you are on the dashboard, look for the dubbed video option and click on it. Next, select File and upload the video you want to translate into another language. Under Translate to, you will see a list of different languages. Select the language you want to translate your video into. For this video, I'm selecting Hindi. Now open Advanced Options. Here Synthesia automatically detects the original language of your video. If it doesn't detect it correctly, you can manually select the original language from the list. Once everything looks good, simply click on Dub Video. Now wait for the process to finish. The tool will automatically dub your video into the language you selected. Once it's ready, let's play the video and check the result.
ये वीडियो बिना दोबारा रिकॉर्ड किए कई भाषाओं में बन जाए. देखिए.
If everything looks good, click the download button and save your translated video. You now have your video in another language while keeping the same voice and tone. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more simple AI tips and tools. And if you have any questions and suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments.